Hi guys, this is the first video of multivariable calculus. So for this video, I recommend that you have already learned all of calculus 1 and 2, and hopefully you've already come across this formula. It's to get a line integral, right? So basically, there are two parts to this side of the equation, right? Okay. So we know we have a 3D function. Let's draw our plane first, z, x, and y. Okay. So this is going to be some function, right? Some 3D function, okay? Let's say this is f of x comma y, okay? Now what we're actually getting, what this actually is right here, don't worry, we won't keep it there, but what we're actually getting this is, so this is going to be the function, right? So it's the actual z value, okay? So if we were to draw like a line down, that would be that length right here. That would be that length. Now what we're multiplying it by, well, this is actually Pythagorean's theorem. You can see it right here. Now, if you looked at this from a bird's eye view, it's an eye. If you looked at it from a bird's eye view, so we have the x-axis and we have the y-axis, then we could see, let's say we had some function like that. Every little individual piece like that, this would be dx over dt. This would be dy over dt. So, when you square them and you add them, that gets this length right here, right? This length. So when we have that length and we multiply it by this value, what we're getting is this full shaded area, right? This full shaded area. Let's just pretend that's shaded in, okay? So we know this is going to be that full shaded area, okay? Now it's broken into two parts, and you can visualize it because, again, this is going to be the z value because it's just a function, and this is just going to be the bottom, like the bottom slice, the bottom length. Okay? Now, we also have, if you're wondering why it's with respect to t, that's just so that it's one integral. So you have g of t is the x with respect to t, and h of t is the y with respect to t. And you can also tell it's dx with respect to t. So as t moves up 1, how much will x increase by? So again, if this didn't make a sense to you, you should watch Calculus 1 and 2. There are a lot of great videos on Khan Academy. And that pretty much concludes the video. If you still didn't get it, again, do your research, maybe rewatch, or look for other videos. So this was visualizing a line integral and understanding it visually. Hopefully you have a better understanding.